forget what you thought about who we are. Mermaids, mermaids.
I blend using a circular motion and voila! A beautiful gradient look, which goes perfectly with my fins.
Love your lids, Kishiko. Oh, it makes me wish you could create makeup that changes color like your fins.
Whoa, that would be sweet.
Well, it's not as far-fetched as it seems. The Atlas Martanica claims that our ancestors gave color to all sorts of things in the ocean.
So you think we could give color?
To anything, like the buildings that have lost their color.
Christabella, you're a genius!
Yep.
I'm gonna have to look into this. Stay tuned, everyone. I'm on it.
I still can't believe I was chosen as the official designer of this year's gala. Ah!
I told you Sarai would make big things happen for you. You ready for tonight?
Yes. No. Maybe. I'm freaking out.
Oh, you've got this. And Riviera and I will be there to cheer you on. It's so cool that our new music video is premiering with your runway show.
I have big news.
Ooh, what is it?
Oh, nothing major. I just may have found a way to save the city.
What?
Aura's meeting me downtown to put my theory to the test. I know you three have the big gala tonight, but Jordie, you in?
I'm so in. Sounds like we're all going to have a pretty epic night. See you soon.
All right, bye, you two.
Future of fashion. You'll need this. Not that anyone would deny the Shellnelle access to anything, but it makes you look more official.
Oh, official is my favorite color.
Yay, you're here! Everything looks spectacular! Including you, Casey. You truly are the hostess with the mostest. All thanks to you, Shellnelle. The gala is always the highlight of my year, but this makes it so much more special. There is no one else in the ocean who can make sleepwear the hottest trend of the season.
Oh, designing for the gala is a dream come true.
Everything looks perfect. Hey, Aura! Thanks for meeting us.
I'm not even sure where to begin. Restoring color to an entire building is a big challenge. So maybe we start with something smaller. Well, it's worth a shot.
Whoa! Look at that! Come on, you could do it. Incredible! Now, please welcome to the stage superstars Harmonique and Riviera!
Harmonique and Riviera, you rock!
You rock more.
Whoa, hi. I didn't see you there. And you are...
The mermaid who can put you on the cover of every magazine in Mystic City.
Shellnelle!
Huh?
I want to introduce you to the mermaids who'll be wearing your gorgeous designs on the runway.
It's me, Kinsley. I met you at the M-Style magazine photo shoot. The look you designed for Jordie was the inspiration for my new line of lip gloss, Megastar. We should totally collab.
Hey, I'm Zuna. You don't know me, and that's the way I like it. Gotta keep an air of mystery, you know. Speaking of mystery, how exactly does your color-changing tail work? You're gonna show it off tonight, right?
Oh, I don't actually know.
Tonight is all about celebrating Shellnelle's brilliant designs. You have to meet Bryn. She's the hottest editor at M-Style magazine.
I'm a huge fan. Being in M-Style has been my dream since, well, forever.
So Soraya told me. We'd be honored to feature you on our cover.
Really?
It's time! The show is about to begin.
Whoa, did you guys see that?
See it? I felt it. Aura, has that ever happened to you before?
No, that was incredible.
That's it! If Aura can't restore the color by herself, then maybe she needs our help. Here, count us into a fin change, Jordie?
You got it. 3, 2, 1, change.
It's working.
Whoa! Jordie, give us your hand. It's working! It's working!
Whoa!
Oh, please change, please change. What? No. Looks like we're gonna need more mermaids. And now, superstar designer, Shellnelle's Runway Extravaganza.
I just want to thank my amazing friends for all their support. And of course, the mermaid who totally upped my game, my agent, Soraya. Well, anyway, stay fabulous, Mystic City.
Good work, Soraya. That M-style cover should keep Shellnelle busy.